In this video, we will delve into using Git within integrated development environments or IDEs. I will explain how to streamline your development workflow by using Git within popular IDEs. Here are some key benefits of using Git in your IDE. It streamlines the workflow, eliminating the need to switch between the IDE and the command line for version control tasks. IDEs offer visual diff tools and intuitive interfaces for resolving merge conflicts, simplifying what can be a complex process. Operations like commit, push, and pull are integrated directly into the IDE, making them easily accessible. IDEs provide tools for visualizing and managing branches, which is crucial for parallel development. You can track the history of individual lines of code directly in the editor, aiding in debugging and understanding code changes. Let's explore the Git integration features in Visual Studio Code, or VS Code. VS Code has a dedicated source control panel where you can manage changes, commits, and branches. The inline blame feature displays commit information directly in the editor, showing who made the last change to each line. VS Code offers a visual diff tool for comparing changes between different versions of a file. Here is how to set up Git in VS Code. First, install Git if you haven't already. Then, configure Git with your username and email using the following commands. Git config, global user.name your name. Then, git config, global user.email, your .email at example.com. You can also configure VS Code settings using the settings.json file to enable smart commit and disable confirmation before synchronizing changes. Here are the settings. Git at enable smart commit, true, git.confirm sync, false. Consider installing useful extensions like Git Lens, Git History, and Git Graph to further enhance your Git experience in VS Code. Let's look at some common Git workflows. One of the most common workflows is the feature branch workflow. First, you start from the main or master branch and create a new feature branch. Second, you develop and commit changes frequently to your feature branch. Third, regularly update your branch with changes from the main branch by pulling and rebusing. Finally, submit your changes for review and integration by creating a pull request. Here is an example in VS Code. First, create a branch using the command git checkout bfeature/login. Second, make changes and commit them using the commands git add and git commit m, add login form. Here are some best practices for IDE Git integration. Use your IDE's built-in merge conflict resolution tools instead of manually editing files. Configure your .git ignore file through your IDE to avoid committing unnecessary files. Leverage your IDE's diff tools to review changes before committing them. Use your IDE's blame feature to understand code history and context. Install Git-specific extensions to enhance your IDE's capabilities. Set up keyboard shortcuts for common Git operations. And always pull before pushing to avoid unnecessary merge conflicts. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.